So Marty, what's your system here? What are you doing with that water?
Okay, this here is the hot water. It helps open up the clam and release the clam from the shell. And I use hot water to accomplish that task. There is a film that helps keep the clam in the shell, and that's what I'm removing now.
So it's like a little brown.
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
You can see that film right there. I should get my headlamp.
Yep, I see it. Mm-hmm.
That's it right there.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so then I just take this and snip this off, right?
Yep. You got it.
How's your water doing?
Water's good. It's gonna need a refresher here in a minute.
So when you and your wife do this alone, how long does it normally take
Okay,
you?
Mark.
Take
Sorry.
us an hour. No, you're fine, dude. Okay, so from that point here, no. So what you're trying to do is
Cut that.
put that void in the center, because they're attached at both ends and inside.
Get that crap out of it.
Yep, so you cut around this thing here and then right across.
Okay.
Oh, that was my finger. No.
Hey, that's what I was saying. Make sure you don't get your finger.
Yep. And so yeah, that's good. That's good.
And yeah, we keep all the waste because I can put it in my shrimp bait, the waste stuff, not stuff you fish with, but the actual waste.
Yes, indeedy. Good stuff.
You guys should come shrimping with me next year.
Heck, I'd love to.
I think we've been talking about this
gotta
now
call
for a couple of years.
Okay, so on these big clams, you're coming inside. You have the digger right here,
Okay.
and you got the ventricles here. So you're going into the body, and then into the ventricles. There's two ventricles, one for breathing and one for spitting out the sand that it digs through. When you open that up, as you can see, the bottom one is the one that they're spitting out the sand from. The bottom one looks like a bigger porthole.
Gotcha.
What I failed to do was cut the dark spot out because I got in a hurry. Then this is the digger. That is the filet mignon of the clam. That is the most tenderest part.
And this is,
What's that? That's the digger, yep.
so that comes off, right?
Yep. There you have it. That is what you eat right there.
Oh, the finished part. Look at that.
That is the finished product.
That is beautiful.
Yeah, so I cut a little too much off.
That's okay.
Yeah.
It's no worries.
Well, let me put this down and let me get to work.
Okay, these go in here. The diggers go in there. And then Sammy's gonna deal with the diggers.